Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Pretty and Innovative Things. I hope all of you are doing fine and enjoying your health and staying home and staying safe. My dear friends, in this video, I am sharing beautiful design ideas of crochet pillows. These crochet pillows are very beautiful, and these are actually all with flowers of different kinds. If you are a true lover of pillows and especially crochet pillows, then this video is going to be very helpful because you are going to get very beautiful and amazingly stylish ideas of pillows that are surely going to add beauty to your bedrooms and to almost all the rooms of your houses wherever you use your pillows. And some of these can be used as cushion covers on your sofas, so for your drawing rooms too, and also for your living rooms. My dear friends, when we come to talk about pillows, when we talk about come to pillows, it is actually a thing that we cannot live without. For me, at least, I cannot live without my pillow, because when we talk about pillows, the first thing that comes to our minds for most of the people, it is that the pillow must be comfortable so that we can enjoy a sound and a healthy sleep and we do not find discomfort. If our pillow is not comfortable, so it may disturb our sleep, and you may have experienced it at any stage of your life that if your pillow is not comfortable enough, you are not going to enjoy your sleep. It actually affects a lot on our sleep, and there are all the crochet pillow designs in front of you on the screens you are watching. These all crochet pillows are so beautiful, so stylish, and I think all of these are super stylish and you are loving all the designs. Now it is up to you which color scheme you choose, which design you love, and which is the actually better option for you. You can make that one, because nowadays you are having holidays, staying at home. Almost all the people are having their holidays, pre-holidays, because of lockdown, so you can use your free time to make these beautiful pillows. These are all in very good colors and there are so many beautiful flower patterns on these. So I think that the things that we are using in everyday routines, that those things must be very stylish, because the things that we use often must be so unique and so trendy that everyone may admire those. So these pillows are actually the thing that everyone is going to admire. This one having flowers is so cute, and there are so many in front of you having bright colors, dark and light colors. You can go for any option that is the best for you, and it also depends upon the color scheme or the wall paintings or actually the paint color of your bedroom or your living room, and wherever you want to use these pillows, or even you can use these as cushion covers. For example, if you are just using a light colored bed sheet, then you can use the dark colored flower or bright color pillow, because it would be so prominent. And if you are trying to make something in combination with the color of your bed sheet, you can even go for it. All of these having a beautiful pattern ideas and beautiful embroidered kind of flowers on these are so beautiful and gorgeous. Look at this, there are only leaves made with crochet on this beautiful one. It means that the pattern is not so difficult, but the things that comes in a final look is actually so beautiful. These are also flowers. It means that you only have to learn one thing. You have to learn one to make one flowers of these, and then you can go for all the flowers, because all these are in the same way. And here it is the same tip for you, that there are leaves with the flowers, so many leaves around, so many petals you can say. So if you learned to make one single petal, it means that you can now go for all the petals. So these are the tricks that you must use, and if you work hard, you are ultimately going to be successful. it doesn't mean that it's so sooner or later you are actually to be successful ultimately, because when we do hard work it comes in so many beautiful ways in front of us at the end, because hard work always pays off. And these beautiful pillows, if you make, would be a sign of your hard work, and you would be enjoying these pillows and everyone would be admiring these. My dear friends, if you are liking my video, please hit like, and if you are here for the first time on my channel, I request all my pretty and beautiful viewers to please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get all the latest updates of my videos in the future, because I'm planning to share patterns also. I'm just getting a little time. For example, in a month or in a 1.5 month, I would start sharing patterns. I hope you would wait patiently for this period, and in this period, we would be sharing ideas and designs that would be too so cute and stylish. So, my dear friends, if you want to see something else, you can let me know. Take care till the next video. Bye bye.